Welcome to my online class. I am Muhammad Mahmud Hassan, Assistant Teacher, Agriculture, Greenfield School and College. Today I am going to discuss about Sanctuary of Fishes. This is under Section 4, Chapter 2. This is a picture of fish sanctuary. What is fish sanctuary? Fish sanctuary means to establish and maintain a particular area in the water body as a permanent shelter for protection of fish for natural propagation. In another word, fish sanctuary is a demarcated protected area where targeted fish will not be disturbed or captured. There are various types of small, big internal water bodies in the riverine country of our Bangladesh, which area is about 47 lakh hectares, and moreover it has immense Bay of Bengal of 1.66 lakh square kilometers. Among the water bodies in Bangladesh, 88% is free water body like river, Bill, water body of Sundarbans, Kaptai Lake, Hao, tidal area containing 40.25 lakh hectare area. On the other hand, closed water bodies are only 12%, among which pond, lake, ditch, Haor and shrimp farm. The total area of these is 6.78 lakh hectare. Presently in Bangladesh, 80% of total fish production comes from internal water bodies. 20% fish comes from sea. In long past, various types of huge fishes were caught in natural internal water bodies of this country. It was 80% of total fish production in 60th decades. 60th decades. The production from internal water body has come down to 35% in last few decades for increasing population, excess uses of water, rough uses of pesticide in agriculture, water pollution for industrialization, excess fish cultivation, unnecessarily killing of brood fish and fries, unplanned construction of gruni and infrastructure and unbalancing environment. Rest 47% of production comes from the fishes cultured in different closed water bodies, and 18% comes from sea fishes. Not only the production but also biodiversity of fishes is reducing day by day in free water bodies. By this time, among the 260 species of sweetwater fishes of Bangladesh, 12 critically endangered, 28 endangered, and 14 threatened species have been identified. The species which are facing the risk for extinction within short time from the natural water bodies are called critically endangered species, such as সরপুঁটি, বাঘাইর, মহাশৈল, etc. And the species which are facing the risk for extinction in immediate future are called endangered species. On the other hand, the species which are not yet extinct but have the chance to extinct in medium term are called threatened species. Some example of the endangered fish species of Bangladesh are Rani, Pabda, Tangra, etc. And threatened species are Foli, Gulsha, Kajoli, many etc. For increasing fish production and conserving biodiversity in free-water bodies, it is very important to establish secured living places or sanctuary for fishes. Fish sanctuary is another water body or its specific area like haud, bed or any portion of river where fishing is balanced for a specific time of a year or for all the year round or long term or permanently. Sometimes three sometimes tree branches, bamboo etc. are placed in those areas for restoration of fishing. Hence, fish get safe shelter, can roam and breed freely. Presently, about 500 safe shelters have been maintained in different rivers and internal free water bodies. Importance of establishment of fish sanctuary. First important is by establishing or announcing fish sanctuary, safe living place of fish can be ensured. Secondly, free breeding and tidal area can be conserved and extended. Thirdly, by creating safe shelter, nearly extinct or endangered species can be conserved. Number 4, by ensuring sufficient natural foods for fish growth. Number 5, reproduction and stocking can be increased by protecting mature fish. Number 6, fish biodiversity can be conserved in aquatic environment. Number 7, increasing fish production in free water bodies plays role in our food security. Homework question: what is the importance of establishing sanctuary of fishes? Thanks for watching this video.